All right, welcome back, everybody. John Caruso here. Today's November 24th. We're going into the holiday tomorrow. Going to do a quick look in on the market right now. First, the macro data. We did see jobless claims actually fall to a pandemic low of 199,000 claims. That's down from 260,000 week over week. We did see durable goods actually miss, down 0.5%. And the prior reading was down 0.4%, so that's certainly not moving in the right direction. We did see Q3 GDP revisions down 0.1% to 2.1%, down from 2.2. We still think the growth picture for the United States here in Q4 is still very strong. Our GDP expectations or forecasts are for north of 7% at the moment. We did see recently a very strong retail sales number come out. It was either the beginning of last week or the previous week, but still a very strong number. Retail sales up 1.7%. So that's keeping our GDP forecast in pretty good shape going into the end of the year. We have seen a pretty big move here this week in the metals markets. We did see a strange correlation where we saw the U.S. dollar rallying, we saw gold and silver prices rallying. That correlation has seemingly corrected itself with a more than $100 drop in the price of gold this week. Two things gold certainly does not like, and that's rising dollar and rising 10-year yields. We do have the 10-year yield up about 12 basis points on the week at 165, and we do think that we're going to ultimately target that year-to-date high up around 175 to perhaps 2% into the end of the year. I think what's going on right now with the U.S. dollar and the strength that we've seen there, there's a lot of Fed members out over the past couple of days that are pondering a hawkish pivot or perhaps speeding up the taper, the pace of the Fed's taper. We don't think that they're going to make that announcement in December. The market is certainly trading as if they were going to, but we think that announcement likely comes in the first part of next year, probably the first meeting of 2022 by the Federal Reserve. So outside of that, we did see the price of oil come in. Perhaps that was front-running the idea of the release of the SPRs. We did see the U.S., U.K., and Japan actually tap the SPRs. But following that news breaking, we did see the price of oil once again rebound about $3. We're trading about mid-78s right now. We do think the price could come in once again down along 75. We think that's probably your next best buying opportunity if we were to see that price level again. So certainly keep that in mind. That's all I have for you today. I hope everybody has a happy Thanksgiving. We'll catch you back here next week. Take care.